Hey guys, this is Flutter under minutes and I am Sanjeev. In this video, let us see how to change the app name and app launcher icon. Okay, there are two packages named Flutter app name and Flutter launcher icons. First, let me change the app name. Installing. Copy the Flutter dependency and paste it here. Go to readme. Copy the Flutter app name. Let me change the app name to my app. Flutter Pub run. Copy the Flutter app name and paste it here. Flutter run. After it is running, it has changed it to my app. Now let us change the my app icon. Go to the Flutter launcher icons, installing, copy the dependency, go to readme, Flutter icons Android image path, and again paste it here. Get an image for the launcher icon. Let this be save images, change app name icon, create a new folder named assets. Okay, download.png. Now change download.png. Flutter pub run. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, it is generated successfully. Now Flutter run. Here our app icon has changed, and that's all. We have achieved what we want. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.